of the day instantly. I was kind of hoping it would take a little bit longer because I still had to wait for my car to thaw out a little bit. But we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3 miles, 3 items. We got this.
Welcome. Have your club card.
Next order just came in. We've got a voodoo donut, $12 going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh boy. Need a pin for this one. This is how we're starting today. This is how we're starting it. Okay, this next one, a little iffy. The pay is abnormally high, so I'm assuming the store's closed. Is Starbucks open today? I don't know. But it said it was gonna be $17 going 6 miles. No, this does look open, I think. I mean, the lights are on, so it's probably open. I think that's what that means. Yeah.
So someone else came in before Kristen as well, but it was picked up like 30 minutes ago. I think the driver never accepted it. So you're the third one for Kristen.
I mean, how much wasted time was that? Maybe like 5 minutes. I was heading this way anyways. So I guess it could have been worse. Next order just came in. We've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $7 and some change going just under 3 miles. Looks like this is just one breakfast meal, so I might get lucky here. This could be ready for me. B85. Thank you. You too. Oh great, the pin is not accurate actually. Yeah, drop off right in the middle of the street. Okay. Where could this be? It's not this, is it? Oh my god. Let me go check outside just to double check because I am so confused. It is. What? So I definitely dropped off there many times, but like I told them, their instructions threw me off because they said to deliver to H78 instead of 78H or vice versa. I don't remember. I see what they're saying now, but they also lied because I was in the right location. Let me just double check this. They said if there was a cross on their door, it was the right location. So let me just check the other one. Yeah, no cross on that door. Okay. Yeah, their directions just screwed me up. But I guess somebody delivered to the wrong address before, so that's why they added them. Okay, this order is not great, but I'm taking it just to stay busy. Sherry's $8.50 going just under 6 miles. Thank you.
And
yeah, this one's definitely not worth it, especially after that wait. Next order just came in. This is for Joe Brown's Cafe. $8 going 2.5 miles.
you motherfucker, go! Married to my husband since I was 19 years old. He died in a car accident.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You as well. Oh boy, need a pin for this one as well. Gotta make this one quick because this is a no parking zone apparently. Perfect, there's that. There we are.
Appreciate it.
Yep, you have a good day. If I had known that was him standing outside, could have just pulled up. I need a pin. I need a pin. Perfect, sorry about that. Next order up, we've got a Burgerville. This one's gonna be $9 going 4 miles.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Sorry for the wait. You have a good one.
You as well. They didn't give me a straw, did they? Or not. This guy just ran outside trying to stop me. Almost left. Also, as they were handing it to me, they were trying to give me a 7-Eleven order, which was for the same location.
Got their tenders.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
Yep. As I was saying, they were trying to give me a 7-Eleven order, and I think it was going to the same customer. It said the same location, and it doesn't look like an apartment complex, so unfortunately for them, it was only an extra $1 going an extra 2 miles, which is definitely not worth it for me. Gonna have to wait for your 7-Eleven. Bro, I am getting gassed out. Oh my God, this garlic is intense. My car is gonna stink for the next hour, I can already tell. Got this order as I was dropping off. This is for Black Rock Coffee, $10 going less than 2 miles. I was a little worried when I saw that it was 7 items. Thought that it might be all drinks, but luckily I think it's only 2, so I don't gotta worry about spilling too much.
Got you guys right here.
Oh, got one.
Oh, you already got it? Sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys. See you.
Okay, not really sure why it took so long to microwave 4 sandwiches, but I guess it takes that long. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $15 going 4 miles, 7 items. I think there were a couple repeats in there, so it shouldn't be too bad. Ain't no way that's $6 for that. Two of these. Two of these. Last thing is a bunch of celery.
Saving. 29. Weigh your celery.
Just to put it into perspective, the time shopping for all those items was pretty much the same as waiting for 4 sandwiches to be heated up in a microwave. Next order is for Starbucks. This one's gonna be $8 going 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Just in case you were wondering, yes, my car does still smell like garlic right now. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $17 going 6 miles, only 2 items. Oh,
Is that it?
probably, yeah. Thank you. And just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. I totally forgot today's Black Friday. Parking lot is packed. There's usually like 10 cars in this area. I'd say we're looking at probably close to 100, just a little bit more than usual. It's looking like all the no tippers are finally awake, because that's pretty much all I'm getting now. So I think I might just call it here. Current time is 11:24. Total is 106. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.